Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you how to put this fabric into this hoop to prepare for sewing. So when you get your hoop, you will see that it's in two pieces joined together by this screw. So if you release it by turning the screw towards you, it'll separate the two rings out. So one is the larger hoop with the clasp on and one is the smaller inner ring. You put the smaller inner ring on the surface like that. Put your fabric on top, make sure it's pretty central, smooth it out. Put this over the top with this at the top away from you and just push it down, firmly down like this. To secure it, just tighten it a little bit. This one's a little bit stiff actually, but that's what you're aiming for, so it's like a drum. But what you might have to do, this fabric's really nice thick fabric. If it was thinner fabric it might be more difficult, but you just need to tease it away like that from the sides just to make it extra tight. You might need to do that throughout your sewing because it does slacken off with the needle going through it. So that's it, all done and ready.